Steer clear, understanding and using the phrase. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the phrase, steer clear. This is a common expression in English, often used in both formal and informal contexts. Understanding phrases like these is crucial for effective communication in English. So, let's dive in and find out what it means to steer clear of something. Steer clear is an idiomatic phrase derived from nautical terminology. To steer means to guide a vehicle, and in the context of ships, it refers to controlling the direction they go. Clear means to stay away from something or to avoid it. When we combine these terms, the phrase steer clear means to avoid something or someone deliberately. It's often used as a warning or advice. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase is used in everyday language. 1. You should steer clear of processed foods if you want to maintain a healthy diet. 2. I've been trying to steer clear of negative people lately. 3. Our teacher advised us to steer clear of plagiarism in our essays. In these examples, steer clear is used to advise someone to avoid specific actions, people, or things. The phrase can be slightly altered while retaining its meaning. For example, make sure to keep clear of the construction area. I tend to stay clear of controversial topics in conversations. Some synonyms for steer clear include avoid, shun, eschew, and evade. These can be used interchangeably depending on the context. Steer clear can be used in various contexts, from casual conversations to formal warnings. Informal, hey, steer clear of the ice on the sidewalk. It's slippery. Formal, the company must steer clear of any unethical practices to maintain its reputation. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, steer clear. Remember, understanding such phrases enhances your fluency in English and makes you sound more like a native speaker. I hope you found this video helpful and that you'll steer clear of any confusion when you come across this phrase in the future. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.